Hello everyone, this is the second video, and today I am going to talk a length about IIT JEE Physics, how to read this subject. I will not be telling about specifically about any books, but I will be talking more of the methodologies which you must follow in reading the subject. When I talk about IIT JEE Physics is really a very important subject, and it is also my favorite subject. So let's get started. So physics is something which teaches you to ask the why question, not just the what question. In chemistry you mostly need to ask the why question, but in physics you must also ask the why question, that why it occurs. This question leads to the understanding of many concepts and the evolution of your brain, which leads to the mastery over the concepts of physics. So physics is all about the concepts and their applications to various problems, and there is a most important thing which many of the students ignore during IIT JEE preparation is the reading of books and working on their comprehension skills. It is a must in today's time, because except for mains, when I talk about IIT JEE, there is a varieties of question in which their comprehension skills play a very important role. In mains, the level of questions are very easy. They are all formula based questions or are based on a simple concept. But in IIT JEE also there are questions which are based on a single concept, like in JEE Mains, but the variation occurs in the pattern. The questions are either paragraph based or are twisted in such a way that they become very difficult to comprehend for a student who does not have a good reading habit. Therefore, reading of books is must, along with the reading of problems. This thing one can practice 1 hour each day, but at least half an hour. Okay, so when I came about reading of books, you must keep a book fixed along with your resources. So there are many resources or many video lectures which you may follow in your preparation, but at the center point of each you must keep a book which you must read fully and solve. So for me, I did not take any rebooted coaching institutes material. For me, the book which I kept fixed was H.C. Verma's book, Concepts of Physics. And this year in IIT JEE Advanced 2021, I found that the many questions came from the concepts of the solved examples of this book, in mains as well as in advance. They were in style matching. Okay, so that's your wish which book you want to follow, but that's my opinion. Okay, so fourth point is, do not neglect solved examples. Solved examples are a very important thing. In many teachers may say that after reading the theory or after the class is over, you must without seeing attempt the solved examples. But in my opinion, you must see the solved examples once, and on the next day, after reading them properly, you must attempt them as unsolved examples on the next day or after 6 to 8 hours. You may think it is very easy that after reading the example itself, when you will attempt it as unsolved example, you will solve it easily. But believe me guys, once you try this, you will find that you cannot solve all the questions. There will be a few questions which you will definitely stuck in, and that is where you will realize that memory power does not comes to help when it is a subject like physics. It is actually understanding that helps. Okay, so the fifth thing is, in physics there are questions which are conceptual, there are questions which are calculation based, and there are questions which are a mixture of concepts and calculation. So there are few students who generally ask that should I do Erodo, should I do Proto. So as I have seen, also many other of my seniors or mentors have said that Erodov is more of calculation based. In many questions the concepts are fundamental, but the calculation uh, is very tough. So if you want to go in that part, you must follow Erodov. It is not that concepts are very fundamental, uh, but in most questions the difficulty level in calculation is much higher than that in the concepts. And in the conceptual part, that book which is very good in concepts is Krotov. Here many conceptual variations are there, and many conceptual things are there which are very a good thing to churn your brain and to train your brain to develop those patterns on how to approach those multi concepts or difficult questions. And the mixed, where both of these occurs in a definite proportion, can be found in IITJ PYQs. IITJ is a collection of both. So you must keep in mind that from wherever you solve, you must keep these two things must go hand in hand: conceptual questions as well as calculation based questions. And calculations must be done without calculator. And things such as taking out the square root of any number, multiplication and division tricks, this you must keep in mind for quick calculations. IITJ PYQs are a good thing to have, and there is a very good book which helped me a lot in my preparation, that is IITJ Physics. This book is written by in this book the papers are solved, but they are not only solved, but they are solved in such a way that on reading each line of the book you will get a spark in each question, and after solving they will tell you a very good variation or very good tweaking of the question which you can solve by your own and try. This type of tweaking in the questions will help you develop your brain about the problems. And if I want to sum up the whole thing in a single line, that is all about the preparation of IITJ is to train your brain about the concepts, about the calculation, about the questions. So these were a few points with which I think you can do this. For any doubt, you can write in the comment section. So that's it. Thank you.